Today I'm going to show you guys how, if you follow these steps in this video, by fixing this one thing within your credit profile, you can see an increase up to 100 points within the next 3 to 6 months. So grab your notebook and pen and let's get started. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara and this is Road to Financial Peace, where we discuss all things money. So before we jump right into today's video, let me break down some important facts you need to know pertaining to your credit profile. 35% of your credit score is made up of your payment history. 30% of your credit score is made up of your utilization. 15% of your credit score is made up of your credit history. 10% is made up of your inquiries. And the last 10% is made up of a mix of credit. Since we know this, one of the most important things to remember about your credit is to make sure you're keeping your payment history in good standing in order to see a good credit score and have a great credit profile. When it comes to lenders approving you, not only does your credit score matter, but what's being reported on your credit score will matter as well. Let's say, for instance, someone just recently started their credit journey 3 months ago and they have a 700 credit score, and someone else just started their credit journey 2 years ago and they have a 650 credit score. The person with the 650 credit score will likely get approved faster than the person with the 700 credit score because they have more credit history than person 1, even though their rating is higher. So it's very important to remember your score isn't the only thing that matters when getting approved by lenders. Your credit profile will also be considered when applying. Since your payment history makes up 35% of your credit score, if you're someone who has late payments showing up on your credit reports, this could be what is lowering your credit score by 100 points or so, depending on how late you are and how many of your accounts have late payments. If you're someone who's just starting your credit history and you don't have many items reporting to help you show your credit worthiness, this too could be what's affecting your credit score. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Kovo in order to get more payment history to help you, no matter if you have too many late payments or if you don't have enough credit history. Kovo is a good way to offset your credit by adding payment history to your credit reports. If you're someone who have accounts reporting that are late and have closed, using Kovo will help to add credit history to your credit report to offset those late payments. If you have accounts that are still reporting late and they are still open, you want to work to get those accounts back in good standing and add this trade line to help you add more positivity to your credit history. If you're someone who doesn't have credit history at all, little to no credit, or you don't have many accounts reporting, adding Kovo will also help you to see an increase within your credit score. So what exactly is Kovo and how does it work? By signing up for Kovo, you can build your credit easily with small monthly payments. With Kovo, you're purchasing Kovo courses on credit with the Kovo installment plan. Kovo works by building your credit history with an installment of $10 a month for 24 months. Now, this isn't a huge amount to pay a month, but that history will help your credit profile by you paying it each month to show you are responsible. When you've signed up for Kovo, you will have access to Kovo's courses that include job interview skills, interview strategies and answer scripts, self-confidence and self-esteem confidence via self-awareness, entrepreneurship, which shows how to start a business from business ideas, personal branding path to top 1% influencer personal brands, stress management with time management for burnout and anxiety, entrepreneurship, sales training, techniques and methods, commerce bootcamp academy, Google Sheets fundamentals, and intro to programming. So as you can see, there are a lot of great benefits to using Kovo in order to further your education as well as build your credit profile at the same time. When you sign up for Kovo, you won't need to have your credit checked because there's no startup fee, so you won't have to pay a fee to get started to use Kovo. Each month as you pay your account, Kovo will report your payment activity to all 3 credit bureaus, showing your on-time payment history. And again, this is going to help you by adding more positive credit history in order to offset those old late payments that have been reported to your credit. Or if you're just starting your credit, Kovo will help to add more payment history to your account to build more history to your new credit profile. When it comes to how fast you will see an increase in your credit score, it will depend on your credit because everyone's situation is different and other parts of your credit history is considered when getting an increase. But as long as you're using the strategy of paying all of your accounts on time, you'll begin to see an increase within the next 3 to 6 months or before. This is going to bring us to the end of this video. I am Tiara and this is Road to Financial Peace. If you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends who may need this information as well. Be sure to stick around for more videos just like this on how to improve your credit score. I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.